Hello, welcome to Tech Founder. I am Mostofa Imon. In this tutorial, I will show how to create a pagination using Node.js and MongoDB. In the third video of this tutorial series, I have shown a complete CRUD operation. If you missed it, you may watch it again. Okay, I have the API. When we are hitting this API, we are getting a list of employees. I have 12 employees here. Now we need it in paginated way. For a pagination system, what we need? We need two information: what page we are browsing and how many data we want to show in per page. When we are hitting this API, it calls a function which is index. It returns the list of employees. For pagination, we will implement a plugin called Mongoose Pagination. Here is the plugin Mongoose Paginate version 2. We need to install this plugin. Okay, done. We need to call the plugin from our model. And here okay, our model is ready. Okay, now we will write the code for pagination. First one is blank. It is used for where query. We will not use any query here. Okay, so we are skipping this. Okay, so our code is ready. Let us check it. We need to change something in our API. Now we have to pass two parameters, which is page and limit, which have been received by here. Page and limit. We can receive our parameter by request query the parameter name. These parameters means which page I am browsing now and how many data will show in per page. Here I have indicated I am browsing the first page and 5 data will show in per page. One thing, don't forget to save your pages. I am using auto saving tools. Maybe you have to save manually. Okay, let us hit the API again. Okay. Now it is showing the list in paginated way. It is showing the first page and it is showing only 5 data. Here you will get some additional information like how many data you have in your table or your document, how many data you are showing in per page, how many pages you will have. As I declared that I will get 5 data in per page, I have 12 data in total, so I have total 3 pages. First 2 pages will contain 5 data and last page will contain 2 data. Okay, let us check. If I give 2 here, I am getting the next 5 data. Now I am in page 2 and my next page is 3, and if I input here 3, I am getting the last 2 data. I hope all you will understand clearly. One more tricks we can do. So now if we don't give this 2 parameters, it will show the all employee list, and if it get the parameters, it will show in paginated way. Let us check it. I didn't give the parameters and I am getting the all employee list, and when I am giving the parameter, I am getting the list in paginated way. So thank you for watching this video. I received too much comments from you that videos are good but sound is very low. I am very much sorry for that. From this video I will try to increase my volume, so please be with me and don't forget to subscribe my channel.